Welcome back to the Built by Rich YouTube channel. Today, got something special. Got a unboxing of SRP racing pedals, and I'll provide a link below. And this is gonna be, I've been waiting for this for a couple weeks, and I'm kind of excited. We're gonna put some pretty cool pedals on the 240C. So let's check it out, see what's in the box. All right, we're gonna try to do this with one hand. Let's see if it could be done. That. Let's see what's in the box. All right, got some packaging. Here we got a couple in an envelope. Got a box, and I think that's it. All right, side away. Let's start with the box. Ooh, these are the pedal. Comes with instructions. SRP Racing. All right, got some screws and bolts. So this is pretty cool. Oh, all right, here's the gas pedal. That's nice. Look at that. Couple pedals. So when I had hit him up, I had asked if I can do a mix match, because I do have a 240Z, and my gas pedal is a GM because of LS swap drive-by-wire. So he's able to make that for me, and he has multiple designs that are pretty cool too. So I went with the hexagon, and he also has spikes, dimple die, a few others. But let me get my other hand here and I'll open this too. All right, I got everything opened up, and this is what we got. We got some gas pedal. This is pretty cool because he added material right here, so it makes it easier for heel towing when you're downshifting. Got a couple of pedals and the footrest, as well as I got the heel plates. I got a couple different sizes. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one on the driver, and then I'll also put one on the passenger side. But these are awesome, hexagon design. This is all machine. Look at that. This thing is awesome. Can't wait to put them on. I want to thank you, Brian, for getting this sent out to me. Again, it's SRP Racing _ pedals on Instagram if you guys are trying to find it, or srpracing.com, I believe is the website. I'll provide the link in the description. But these are awesome. Definitely gonna make it make the interior pop a little bit more, add some shininess. Can't wait to install these. But that's gonna do it right here. I just wanted to show it to you guys. These are awesome pedals. Can't wait to get them on. And there's the stock one. First thing you want to do is remove all the rubber. So all that, we'll do the other ones too, and then we'll tape it up, mark it, drill some holes. All right, we got our spots marked. I marked multiple ones just because I wanted to see where the holes would line up, but I think what I'm gonna be doing is using these guys right here, and then either this one or this one, because you only need 3, but you want to make sure that there's nothing on the back. So I got those all marked up. Just gotta drill some holes and we'll be able to put the paddles on.
A few moments later.
All done. Damn, they look good. Got billet aluminum heel plates, and got a footrest, clutch, brake, and gas, obviously. And there she is on there. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. Catch you guys next time.